Hey YouTube, it's Shannon once again with another YouTube tutorial. Today we're going to be doing the Nper function, or the N period function. Basically what this function is going to do is it's going to tell you how many months it's going to take for someone to pay off a certain loan towards you, depending on the annual interest rate, the amount of the loan, and the payments. So let's go ahead and get started. The syntax of this formula is actually going to start with your rate, the amount that you paid, the present value or the amount the loan is set for, and that's going to be everything that's going to be required in order to make this formula work. There are two other optional parts to this formula, which is the future value and the type of payment that you're going to make, whether it's ordinary or an annuity payment. So we're just going to keep it simple and stick to the three basics: the rate, the payment, and the present value. So for the rate, you can either put this in percentages or in decimals. I'm going to go ahead and do 0.10, or you can, as always, do 10%. The amount of the loan that I'm going to do, like I said, I'm going to keep it really simple for you guys. It's going to be $10,000. And for the payments, make sure that your payments are a negative sign, otherwise the formula isn't going to work. In Excel, the payments is saying that these are payments coming out. So just think of it as payments are coming out of your pocket, or you paid for something, you're paying for something, right? So it's going to be a negative number, 100, and make sure to keep the present value or the amount of the loan a positive number, otherwise it's not going to work. So now that we have our information ready, I'm going to go ahead and start our formula. So the first part of this is going to be the rate. So this is the annual interest rate. If you want to know the monthly amount that the number of months that you're going to be paying this, you have to divide that annual interest rate by 12. So we're going to do 0.10 divided by 12. You could also do weeks, just divide it by 52, and you'll know how many weeks you'll have to pay on this loan. The next part is going to be the payment. Like I said, just make sure this is in a negative number, otherwise it's not going to work. And then, of course, the present value or the amount of the loan. Then we're going to go ahead, hit enter, and it's telling us that it's going to take 215 months to pay this off if we only contributed $100 per month. And then it's going to be 18 years to pay off this loan if you were only making payments of $100. So let's just say you want to go ahead and start putting $500 towards it. Now, it cuts your time by a lot, and it's showing that you're only going to have 1.8 years to actually pay off this loan. This is a very helpful tool if you're trying to figure out how much you want to pay towards, your school loans or your mortgage or anything like that. It's very, very helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.